Take a picture?
Hello, we're doing a zombie game. This is an Outlawz night game. Here we got zombie number 1, Captain James. We got Spencer here.
Hey, you guys see the back?
So it is force on force, 2 sides.
See the back, Spencer?
We got one side starting off over here. They're going to be killing that team that's over here. And we, the zombies, can kill anybody. The rules are we can walk. We can only walk, no running. And yeah, should be a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun so far. And I got a little light here. All right, we're ready to go. All right, here we go. Game on, game on. I got my little light stick here. Zombies cannot be killed. Hello? Looks like I'm sneaking up on somebody.
I feel like a ninja. Kristen. Oh,
there they go.
You totally walked by me.
That's okay. No, I want your brains too. I'm not prejudiced when it comes to brains. I'll take any I can get. Unfortunately, I have to use this light, otherwise you guys can't see anything. But it also gives me away pretty bad. Hey, look, a dead end. Oh my God, this looks like a bum shelter. All right, we're leaving. That's mean. All right. And I cannot do more than a brisk walk. Yeah, my flashlight's giving me away. See, the thing is they gotta be watching out for me and for the other guys. They better keep going. I see you. I see you. All right, let's move somewhere else. Oh man, I was inches from him. You see that? I stuck my hand through the doorway and he got away. Yeah, you run. Oh man, I haven't gotten a single one yet. I want some brains. By the way, it's my birthday. It's my birthday today. So, if you want to leave a little message, happy birthday to me. You know what I'm going to do? Watch this. Watch this. Watch. Hold on. Wait for it. Alright, I'm going to put the light down for a second. You may not be able to see. Watch this. Alright, hold. Wait for it.
Zombie?
Ah!
Zombie.
Yeah, the light's not doing me any favors. Oh, the dead end. There they go. Nobody in there. Man, they're running away. Stop running away. Watch this. I'm going to go around the back. Zombie! Ah! Oh, look at these guys. They're not even looking. They're not even looking. I wonder if there's anybody left in here. I need some brains. Now, I need some brains. I need to catch somebody. What am I doing here? I need some brains. Alright, see how this is going to work? Going to come around this corner here. Gotta keep looking around. Oh, there goes one. There's goes. We're gonna cut him off, James. We can share the brains. Ah! Ah, he got away.
There's one in there.
Oh, you no.
We'll get Danny.
All right, we're gonna get Danny here.
Yeah, I got this one. No.
By the way, thank you to Randy for letting me use his light.
Oh, he ran out. Going outside.
All right, so zombie teamwork here. Okay. See him here. Nope. Oh, there he is. Turn my light off. Watch this. I'm gonna wait for him. He's gone. He vanished. Ah. Did you get any? Okay. We need a new strategy here. Oh, there's like 3 times where I almost got someone. I think they're in the back.
Yeah, that corner container.
All right, here we go. Turn the light off now.
Yeah, somebody. I want to go far right corner.
Okay. Ooh, I saw a rat scurry by. Ooh, I see 2 morsels. Oh no, it's just a ref. Ah. Inside a container. So what happens to a zombie if they become starved? You know, vampires, if they don't have blood, then they start to, I don't know, something starts to happen. Start to turn more beast. What happens to a zombie? Do they turn more zombie? Do they turn into some sort of super zombie if they don't feed? That'd be cool. Are they able to run after that? Because I could really use some running right now. Nothing. Looks like all the other zombies got them before me, or they killed each other off. In which case, I would just have some leftover leftover brain. Can zombies eat leftover brain? Dead brain? Or do they have to have it fresh?
Where's Randy at? He's back here somewhere.
Ooh, Randy's back here, huh?
Randy? I think he's the last one.
Randy might be the last one.
In the corner.
Who's gonna get Randy's brains?
Check that corner.
Well, I definitely want Randy's brains. So, I'm going to pick up the pace. Let's see. Nope, no Randy. Nope. You know, knowing him, he's probably got some sneaky little hidey holes somewhere. I know, that's who we're looking for. He's like a flash. And then he's gone. Oh, ooh, I see a fellow zombie signaling that he's over here. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get Randy's brains. Thing is he's a quick bugger. He's quick. Oh, no. It's not him. He's nowhere to be seen, as usual. Over there! I found him! Ha ha ha! I found him! We have him now! Spencer! Oh, there he is. Oh, I saw him. He went and he laid down in a bush. He thinks I don't see him, but I did. I saw him. Watch this. You just watch. Okay.
Not a brisk face.
Yes, that is! Oh, it wasn't Randy. Ah! There he goes. Oh, he's gone. Dang it. Dang it, he's gone. I saw him too. You know, if I hadn't seen him to where he was running, I wouldn't have caught him. We got one that ran to the back right. Danny. Did Randy run that way?
Yeah, you had a guy ran that way, one guy ran this way.
Yep. Oh, I know where the guy ran. Huh?
No.
Two left.
Two people left. They're looking for him right now. They ran up that way.
I'm gonna find him. When we find him, what are we gonna do? Eat his brains. Although, I don't know how good Danny's brains would taste. Sorry, Danny. No offense. Just kidding. I saw him. I saw him. I see you. There he goes. There he goes. Man, I can't keep up with him. I can't keep up with people who are running when I'm just a poor, limping zombie. What's a poor zombie to do? How's a zombie supposed to get some brains around here? This is my zombie stick. This is what I use to annihilate my prey. Oh, he ran over here. I know he did. I heard his ammo go. Okay, what we need to do here, the only thing that we're going to be able to do is block him off at the path. Block him off the path. There he is. I hear him. A band? No, I haven't.
So I think it's game.
Huh.
Otherwise we're just going to be running around.
Well, they can run. We can't.
No, I know, but game's over because they won.
Yeah, probably.
Basically, they won.
I really want to get Randy, though, so I'm going to start running. This is it. I'm a starved zombie, and that means I become a super zombie, so that means I can run now. All right? Fair enough? I like it. Let's go. Okay, I'm a super zombie. I can jog. You're going to have to run faster. All right. There they went. Aw, darn it. You know what, though? It's not game over until Kristen gets some brains. So, they don't know it, but we're going to continue the hunt. There he is. There he is. Oh, my zombie stick. What's that?
I think that's game.
Yeah, it is. But I didn't get a single person. There. I got him.
There you go.
I got it on camera.
For the record show, I let her. Let the record show.